Threads deletion tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily delete your Thread account. First thing first, head over to your application Thread. Into your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this two line at the top right corner. Head over to Accounts and Center. Inside Account Center, head over to Manage Accounts. In the Thread account, click on Manage. Choose Deactivation or Deletion. Select Delete Account and then tap on Continue. Once again, tap on Continue. Now you have to choose a specific reason why you want to delete and then tap on Continue. Click on No Continue with Deletion. Tap on Continue once again at the bottom. Now enter the password of your Thread account and then click on Continue. After that, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. And if it exceeds 30 days and if you haven't logged in, then your account will be deleted permanently and then you will be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.